Yeah. All my baby healthy food. We study in out of bedroom. We study high study in class bedroom. My name is Ojaswi and for 5 years. I like to plantain. I like to broccoli, apple, banana. Thank you. My name is Niriksha, mister. I am a girl. My father's name is Mr. Nilesh Mishra. My mother's name is Nisha Mishra. Hello, good evening. My name is Niriksha Mishra. I am 5 years old. I am from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I like to singing, dancing, painting. I like to eat dry fruits and dry fruits. My favorite color is orange, pink, yellow, green, and blue. Thank you. Bye-bye. My father name Ushal Kumari. My mother name Pooja Kumari. We live Kamothi. My name is Kumari. I like to bake. I like to eat sweet. My favorite color is purple. Thank you.